We want to set the frequency. Let's come like another meter or two this way. Yeah, we seem to be finding a manhole in the kitchen. So it looks like they have modified the kitchen and extended it out over the manhole. Covered the manhole up. Oh, there we go. Okay, it looks like they've taken the pipe and then it drops into the manhole. They've even done their connection badly.
There has to be something else here. It's either running across there or it's going in this planter.
The bathroom is just past this wall and the drain is coming under and going out to the street side. Most likely there are more manholes along the line. This is the area where the hidden manhole is, and it's always a bad idea to cover up a manhole because you've got that big open space and most drain cleaning equipment's not designed to go through a big open space like that. We are in the manhole here. The grouting is full of gaps. We're here. We've pulled this toilet off. We're gonna go through there to see if we can track the drain. It smells lovely, okay. The line coming from there joins to this toilet and then we are gonna start going this way. We are at the junction and about to go further. Okay, there we go. We're about a meter. It's just under the vibe.
Yes, that's from the other side.
I'm just moving to the garage. Another junction. We've turned right. It's after we've turned right now. Maybe a bit further past the deck. It's definitely further than we were going before. So it looks like we are here. And we're probably heading that direction. Into the manhole.